Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive introduction to coding and help you get started on your programming journey. So, let's jump right in. Before we delve into the specifics, let's understand what coding is all about. Coding, or programming, is the process of creating instructions for computers to perform certain tasks. It involves using a programming language to write lines of code that the computer can understand and execute. There are numerous programming languages available, each with its own syntax and purpose. Some popular languages include Python, Java, JavaScript, and C++. Don't worry if this seems overwhelming at first. We'll focus on a beginner-friendly language to get you started. Now, you might wonder why coding is such a valuable skill. Well, in today's digital age, coding is increasingly in demand across various industries. It empowers you to build websites, create apps, analyze data, and automate repetitive tasks. Learning to code opens up a world of opportunities and can enhance problem-solving and logical thinking skills. To begin your coding journey, you'll need a few essential tools. Firstly, you'll need a code editor, which is a software that allows you to write and edit your code. Popular code editors include Visual Studio Code, Atom, and Sublime Text. Secondly, you'll need a web browser for testing and running your code. Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox are commonly used browsers. Once you have your code editor and web browser ready, it's time to choose a programming language. As a beginner, Python is an excellent language to start with. It has a clean syntax and is widely used for its versatility and ease of learning. Python is known for its readability and simplicity, making it a great language for beginners. It has a large and supportive community that offers extensive resources and libraries to facilitate your coding journey. Now, where can you find resources to learn Python and coding in general? Fortunately, there are numerous online platforms and websites offering free and paid courses. Websites like Codecademy, Coursera, and Udemy are excellent places to start. Additionally, YouTube tutorials, coding forums, and interactive coding platforms like REPL.it and GitHub can also be valuable resources. As you begin learning to code, it's crucial to grasp the fundamentals of programming. This includes understanding variables, data types, control structures, like loops and conditionals, and functions. These building blocks form the foundation for writing efficient and functional code. Remember, coding is a hands-on learning experience. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Start with simple exercises and gradually challenge yourself with more complex projects. Programming is not just about writing code, it's about solving problems. As a coder, you'll often encounter challenges and bugs. Developing strong problem-solving skills will enable you to identify and fix issues efficiently. Embrace a logical and analytical mindset to become a proficient programmer. To solidify your coding skills, it's crucial to work on projects. Projects allow you to apply your knowledge and learn through practical experience. Start with small projects, like building a calculator or a simple website, and gradually take on more ambitious endeavors. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your mistakes. That's how you grow as a coder. Lastly, remember that coding is a journey. It's okay to encounter difficulties along the way. Be patient, persistent, and enjoy the process of learning and creating with code. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards understanding coding and programming. We hope this introduction has inspired you to delve deeper into the world of coding. Stay curious, keep learning, and stay tuned for more videos, where we'll explore more exciting programming concepts.